Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, Olympic medalists Kishane Thompson, Rashid Broadbell and world champion Shericka Jackson were among 10 Jamaican winners at the race's Grand Prix, a World Continental Silver Tour meet at the National Stadium on Saturday night.
Kishane Thompson brought the curtains down in style as he clocked a season's best 9.88 seconds to win the men's 100 meters on his meet debut. Thompson won ahead of last year's champion Oblique Civil 9.97 and the South African Gift Lela 10.04.
Kishane Thompson looks imperious, he looks commanding, he takes command, goes away in great style. Kishane Thompson,
9.88.
Sensational performance, 9.88.
Honestly, it's like a building block for me. We're working on the whole race phases. I won't say I'm pleased with the time. The time wasn't the aim. I was just trying to put together a better race coming into Grace's Grand Prix.
Two-time World Under-20 Sprint champion Tina Clayton bounced back from a fourth-place finish last year to win the women's equivalent. Clayton clocked a season's best to 10.98 seconds, her first sub-11 time in almost 3 years, getting the better of American Jacio Sears 11.04 and reigning World Under-20 Sprint champion Alana Reid 11.16.
Tina is trying to come forward. Sears is running a big race in the middle. Step forward now. Tia Clayton pulls up just a bit. Tina Clayton it is who comes through 11 seconds flat. The flash time.
Well, everybody know my biggest motivator is always my mother. You all see her in the stands. She makes sure to bring along her little brother, along with my sister that I compete with. So, for me to know that I am where I should be, yeah.
Two-time World 200 meters champion Shericka Jackson delivered a season's best performance to win the women's 200 meters in 22.53, best in Canadian Audrey Leduc and American Cass Chandler.
Jackson now stepping on the accelerator. Jackson, this is her stomping ground. Shericka Jackson, the world champion, looking to better her season's best of 22.46, and 22.53 is the flash time.
The performance of the night arguably came from national champion Brian Lavelle, who sent an ominous warning after clocking 19.79 seconds to win the men's equivalent. However, the 2.5 meters per second wind prevented it from being a world-leading mark and a personal best.
Lavelle, the national champion though, sprouting wings, steps into another gear. This is a supreme performance. Brian Lavelle gets there ahead of Christopher Taylor, 19.77 seconds. That's a stunning performance.
Well, I wasn't really expecting to run fast. I mean, it's a good crowd and very good in my warm-up, and it was just go there and execute a proper 200.
Olympic bronze medalist Rashid Broadbell battled it out with American Trey Cunningham, but came out on top, clocking a meet record 13.06 seconds in the men's 110-meter hurdles.
Cunningham on the outside, Broadbell on the inside, Broadbell and Cunningham, Broadbell by the flare of a nostril.
Yeah, I mean, we've been putting in the work. Me and coach, we've been working on the first part of the race. I mean, I didn't think I nailed it tonight, but I'm glad for the win, give God thanks for everything.
Rashawn Clark showed no signs of the injury that had him pulling up at the Miami Grand Slam track last month as he led a Jamaican sweep in the men's 400-meter hurdles, clocking 48.65 to win ahead of Sidney Wilson and Malik James King.
But Rashawn Clark, powerful as he is, a stomping ground is a national stadium for him. And look at that, even glancing at a Sidney Wilson.
My execution wasn't the best today. I came out here just to feel myself, get back into the groove of things, because at the Grand Slam I was hurt and this is my first race back, so I just come out here trying to execute and get the win.
Meanwhile, Sandre Davison in his season opener won the men's 100 meters B race, while World Championship medalist Janelle Smith won the women's 100 meters B race, and Jeremy Bembridge captured the men's 400 meters B race. Over in the field, world and Olympic silver medalist Wayne Pinnock won his first long jump event of the year, leaping to 7.97 meters in the third round.
First and foremost, I just want to thank God, to bring me out there strong so I could compete. I would say it's just a training, to prepare for the national trials coming up a few weeks from now.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.